This is my 1990 bright brass Casablanca Lady Delta. So this is shown here at the bottom of the stairs in the basement. This fan was going to be a permanent install, but I'm actually putting a different Lady Delta here that has glossy rosewood blades. Now this thing came from Facebook Marketplace for free. I actually did a video of this fan not too long ago. It was shown with no light, because that's what I originally wanted here. But because I'm going to be putting a different fan here, I'm going to take this one down with the light, because I have a bunch of these light kits I don't know what to do with. So this fan, like I said, was on Marketplace, and the story behind it was the guy was getting rid of this and some Harbor Breeze builders. Now this was like almost 2 hours away from me, but I was going for a way cooler fan. And where the way cooler fan was, this was about a half hour from where this fan was. The guy said if this fan wasn't picked up the same day, he was going to throw him in a dumpster. So this was pretty much what made me go. And then also, the Harbor Breeze builders used brass hang trues, Casablanca hang trues. So they must have replaced something. So when I took this fan, there was... Actually, the Harbor Breezes were still installed, so this was the only fan out there. Or no, wait a minute. No, there were 2 Harbor Breezes, but then there were like 2 more that were still installed, and the guy was nice enough to mail me all of the hang trues. I just asked for all the mounting hardware, and he actually sent it to me through the mail. So that's pretty much that. Use the low ceiling adapter. I'm going to take this LCA and put it on the new one. This was installed in the kitchen. It was pretty greasy, but it cleaned up pretty nice. Use this Samsung. Show the tag. Lady Delta, number 3. I'll start with the light. Notice how that pull chain is like brushed nickel. That's not original. The original one broke apart into a million pieces just from regular use, because the plastic dry rotted and caused the switch to just fall apart. So we'll start it off on low speed. The bearings in this fan are not perfect. They're making some noise, some dry bearing noise. I oiled them, and I took the noise away quite a bit. Now they have some wet bearing noise. So now I'm debating on whether I should replace them or not. I don't think they're that bad though. I think they still got some life left in them, but I'll make that decision once I take this fan down. So the other Lady Delta is the blades are gonna be glossy rosewood. The motor's gonna be an Emerson K55, and it's gonna have an Emerson seashell light, which I think is pretty cool. So I think that is a much better fan to have here. And the blades are the main reason. And this is speed 2. It's moving some decent air. I'm standing all the way back here and I can feel quite a breeze. And I'm gonna go to high speed now. This is extremely powerful and high. This thing flies on high, just pretty much like any Lady Delta. And like I said, the bearings aren't the greatest, so the spin down is kind of quick. Alright, that's all for my bright brass 1990 Casablanca Lady Delta.